Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the airflow, okay, or cloud composers. So firstly, what is this airflow? Okay, so this is Apache airflow we are talking about. Okay, why Apache? Apache developed this. This is the open source. This blah blah blah. Okay, so just basic things. So why? What is the this Apache Airflow? What is Airflow? What's the need of this? What's the use cases? So we will discuss all the things, how we can design that. What are the main component of Apache Airflow? Because it's the interview question as well. Like what are the main components or what's the architecture of the Airflow? So we will discuss all the things one by one. So firstly, airflow. Airflow is a platform, okay, to schedule and monitor workflow. Okay. So now question, what's the how we can schedule, how can monitor workflow? So scheduling, we can do anything. Like for example, we want to schedule on like it will run on every Monday. That also we can define. Okay, we can say that every yearly 1st January it will run. That also we can define. We can define every Monday at 8 p.m. Okay, in this way we can define. We can say that every day except Saturday and Sunday it will run. We can then define that as well. Okay, everything we can define. Every day it will run. That also we can define. Okay, so each and everything, whatever the picture coming in your mind, so we can do that. So there is some cron related syntax where we are using 5 star. So that method is there, 1 2 3 4 5 5 star we are using. Okay, so this is mainly we are using for defining the thing. So this is first star is mainly denoted for the hour, for minute, second is for hour, another is the week of the day. So in this way, similar things are there which we are defining. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so in this way we can schedule that. Okay, so here we can schedule job, any kind of job, like any kind of ETL job we can schedule. Okay, we can create any kind of pipeline, either it's machine learning pipeline. Okay, or any kind of file backup, any kind of data backup. Okay, anything we can do via this. Okay, so there are lot of advantage of airflow. Like what kind of advantage is there? Error notification. Like if we want, like if any step fail, then we will receive error. So that also we will receive. Logs detail we will get. Okay, that thing also. Dependency between task, dependencies between task. Dependency is something like that, where like for example, task 1 will execute first and then task 2 will execute. Okay, similarly task 3 execute. Okay, so these kind of dependencies also we can execute. Okay, so again it is the open source thing. Okay, so if you are using GCP cloud, Google Cloud Platform, so you don't need to install Airflow manually. You don't. So here they have built in Composer. Cloud Composer is there. Composer is there. Okay, so what you need to do in Cloud Composer? Only you need to set a environment. Once you set the environment, all things are ready for you. Okay, so you only need to set an environment. All things are automatically ready for you. You know, you don't need to bother about anything. Okay, So this is the main thing in GCP. Okay. So now, what are the main component of this? Okay. So firstly, like if I'm talking about, so in Airflow, we are generally writing the DAG. DAG, what is DAG? That is the directed directed acyclic graph. I will show you also how it is running in background. Okay, so this is the directly acyclic graph. Okay, so what happened? So we need to define the DAG. So how it is running in the background? So firstly, if we are writing DAG, so firstly DAG is nothing. DAG is nothing, but it is a Python program. Okay, what is DAG? DAG is nothing, but it is a Python program. Okay, so now you need to write the code in Python and save as the py file, and you need to save into the DAG folder. I will show practically as well how we can do that. Okay, so now whenever we are writing any DAG file is divided into mainly three parts. Yes. Some are saying in the five parts, some are saying in the three parts. So best for easy remember, it's three part. Okay. So firstly, what we are doing, we are importing the libraries. In Python, you have learned how we can import the library. So it's very easy. So firstly, we need to mention from airflow import. Okay, so this is the one library. After that, for example, from airflow, okay, dot models import variables. Okay, in this way we can do that. Okay, another which kind of library? So for example, we want to create some dummy operator. Airflow operator. Okay, then dot dummy. Okay, then import dummy. So guys, this is the case sensitive, so you need to take care of all the things, spelling and all the things, like all the things are coming, writing in the perfect way. Okay, so similarly, another thing from airflow operator. Okay, bash operator. So dummy operator is nothing like just to pass the dummy related thing, means nothing. You are simply defining this is the starting task, this is the ending task, then we are using the dummy operator. Now we are using the bash operator. Now what is the bash operator? Bash operator is mainly used for running the Unix related command. Okay, why we are using it is the running in the background Unix related command. Okay, so this is the thing we are doing. Okay, so firstly, we are using the dummy operator, bash operator. After that, sorry guys, I have done spelling mistake. Okay, after which another things we need to use. So from airflow, okay, then providers, Google. Okay, so now if we are talking about GCS, GCS is cloud storage, so we can import GCS bucket, create empty bucket. So guys, these things you should remember. Okay. Similarly, if we want to import another thing from airflow.providers, oh, I think I have done one mistake here. I forgot to mention operators. Okay. Similarly, if you mention another thing, for example, Google dot transfer. Okay, for example, we are transferring data from one bucket to another, and GCS to GCS. Import. So what we can say here, GCS to GCS object, create empty operator. GCS to GCS object operator. Okay, so in this way, we can define that. I think I have done some mistake here, so we can check our code here. So here, this is the code. You can see that where I have importing the models, where after then importing the variables, after the dummy operator, after the bash operator, after the create bucket operator. Oh, it's create bucket, not empty bucket. Okay, here GCS to GCS operator. Okay, similarly, where we can import. So we will discuss this part later. Okay, don't worry about that. So in similar way, so first is the importing all the library. Second is we are creating object. So object is always creating with the help of with. Okay, and after that it is models.dag. Okay, and ending with the dag. Okay, so in this way, this is the second part. So simply you need to learn, like first we are importing the library, second we are defining the object. Okay, object always defined with the with clause. Okay, so similarly, like we are defining CT in a SQL table. So in similar way, you can remember with is the clause to defining the tag object. Okay, after that, the third concept is we are creating all the tasks. So here, for example, I have created one task with the help of dummy operator starting. I'm just mentioning starting. Okay, after that, I'm creating bucket. After that, I'm again as showing ending. So after that, here I'm showing the dependency. So ultimately, so first thing is only defining all the valid libraries. Second is creating the tag object. Okay, and third is creating the all the task. In the task we are defining the things. Okay, so this is the way we are doing that. I think that's it for this video. Okay, so whatever we have learned, like here we can provide different operators like SQL operator, email operator, hive operator, or hive to MySQL operator. So in this way we can provide all the things. Okay, thank you guys.